Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Apex Legends. Whenever you launch the game, you got an error saying engine error, unsupported PAK hash format. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, whichever app you are using, either using your EA Play or the Steam, go ahead and verify the integrity of game files. To do so, click on your library option, click on this three dot icon, and here click on the option repair to verify integrity of the game files. If you are using Steam, launch the Steam, right click on your game, choose the option properties, click on the option installed files and choose the option verify integrity of game files. Once you have done so, go ahead, restart your EA Play or Steam and then try to play the Apex Legends to fix out the issue of unsupported PAK hash format. If this failed to work out, in next step, again open up your launcher. If you are using EA Play, click on this three line icon and choose the option settings over here. Click on the option applications and here you will find the option of language. Go ahead, from the drop down list, choose any other language instead of the current language. For example, currently I have an English language, so go ahead and choose either Deutsch or any France or any language that at least you can understand. Once done, it will start to download a file. Once the language file is downloaded, simply play the Apex Legends and then close it. Once the game launch started to play, go ahead, again open EA Play and change your language back to English by going this settings menu. In terms of Steam, open the Steam, click on this Steam icon, choose option settings. From this left pane, click on the option interface and here again you will find the option of Steam client language. Again from the drop down list, first of all choose any language. Once language is chosen, close it, launch Apex Legends game. Once the game started to launch, again head over to Steam, settings, interface and then again change back your language to English. This is a simple fix, however worked for many users. If this method failed to work out, let's proceed with the third step. Open this PC, C drive, users folder and here you will find a folder with the name your own username. Open it. Here press the S key to find saved games. Open it. Now open Respan folder, Apex Legends and here you will find a folder with the name assets. Simply go ahead, right click and choose the option delete. Once the folder is deleted, go ahead and relaunch the game to fix out the issue of unsupported PAK hash format engine error while playing the Apex Legends. However, if this method also failed to work out, lastly method you can do is to again head over to the same directory of the game and from here you need to right click on the Respan folder and simply choose the option delete. Once you delete this folder, close it. Now launch EA Play or Steam and verify the integrity of the game files by again going to the library, click on this three dot icon and choose the option repair. This will download the files that we have just downloaded which are already corrupted and in turn completely fix out the issue of Apex Legends unsupported PAK hash format engine error while playing the game. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.